my name is Athena and I am here to help you find your fashion talents. So today we're going to draw a dress for beginners, and this is a traditional Chinese dress, sometimes called a Gi Pao. So to prepare your figure to start sketching, there are a couple of different techniques. I'm opting to sketch over an existing figure by tracing. You can also draw your own fashion figure. Just see my video on how to draw a 9-head figure the easy way. There are some iconic pieces and elements of this dress, first being the collar, known as a mandarin collar. It wraps close around the neck and meets in the middle. So there will be inset sleeves on this dress. The shoulder lines stop before going over the shoulders, and then we can draw the armholes. There are a few lengths of sleeves that can make the Gi Pao look different, and in this drawing, I will be using cap sleeves. I'm then going to continue down the length of the dress and body, staying close to the body. I'm choosing to do a long dress, although it can be made with a shorter length. The last line is for the closure on the right-hand side of the upper chest. Coloring your illustration can be done with a variety of tools or mediums. I have decided to use markers because it will give me a very vibrant and saturated color. Red is a very traditional color for celebrations, so I think I will do this particular dress red. I believe one of the most fun parts of doing this kind of dress is the decorating. If you're interested in having your child between the ages of 7 and 18 learn more skills of fashion illustration, it's in a fun online classroom setting, just follow my school links below or ask me a question in the comments. Also download my free guide to fashion sketching below to get you started sketching right away.